Uses and care of drawing tools, equipment, and materials. Pencils. Sharpen pencils regularly to maintain a sharp point. Clean pencil marks with an eraser. Store your pencils in a protective case or container to prevent breakage. Keep them away from extreme temperatures and moistures. Common issues: broken leads, dull tips. Address by handling pencils carefully and sharpening regularly. Erasers. Clean erasers by rubbing them against a clean piece of paper or washing them with soap and water. Store erasers in a dry, clean container to prevent dirt and debris accumulation. Markers and pens. Store markers or pens in a protected case or container to prevent drying out or damage. Keep them upright to prevent ink bleeding. Clean markers or pens with a damp cloth or replace tips when necessary. Common issues addressed by storing properly and replacing tips or refilling ink. Roller protector and triangles. Clean rollers, protector, and triangles with a soft cloth and mild soap solution. Store rollers, protectors, and triangles in a protective sleeve or container to prevent damage. Common issues: scratches, warping, addressed by handling carefully and storing properly.